Okay everyone, in this video I want to share to all of you about how to make this furniture table. Okay, first of all we have to make the rectangle. We have to make a rectangle with the dimension, it's around 800 for the wide, and uh, and then for the length of the table, maybe it's around 1 meter. Okay, this one. Okay, I will reduce the scale of the picture right there. Okay, this one. Okay, this is about the dimension, about the top table. I will share to you. This is about the 800 and 1000 millimeter. So, okay, so I have to push it up until maybe around 20 millimeter or 2 milli or 2 centi, I mean. And then we have to make the elevation from the floor, from the floor. Okay, this is elevation from the floor. It's around 450 millimeter. Okay, and then I just press B on the keyboard and I just select the glass and mirror, and then I just select this translucent or just clear, select the clear glass, and then I've just set the opacity right there, and then I just select the border glass, and then I just put material on the edge of every single side of the table. Okay, just like this, and then I make the support of the table with a rectangle. It's just depend on your taste. I mean, it's depend on your taste. And then you have to make group and move, duplicate, and place on this position and place on this position. I mean, okay, so and after that we have to process this object by enter to the group and then click this surface and offset it inside approximately just like this, and then we have to select this for borderline, for borderline, and then we have to select a move and move up. Okay, if you cannot, you have to push it until this position. Okay, then you have to select the line and place for every single line to this position. Okay, this one, and it's enough. So you can do the same way to the another side. You can do the same way to the another side by offset this inside, and then you have to push it until this position, and then you can select line to place the every single side of the support of this table, I mean. Okay, and then you can select the wood, and you can select your favorite wood, maybe this one, or you can set the color of wood. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.